All right. Hey, everybody. We are really excited today. The wonderful, the amazing Debbie Budge is going to be sharing with us her take on the October Kiwi Club Kit. So if you haven't seen it, if you haven't been a part of it, it's such a cute kit. I haven't pulled mine out yet, which is a little bit crazy, but it is the cutest fall. I just got my family pictures done in the beautiful fall weather, so I think I'm going to try and for sure use this kit for those pictures. They're just like the cutest patterns. Everything's adorable. And then these really fun trees, which I'm sure Debbie will share all about, but I'm pretty excited for it. And I hope you'll enjoy seeing what she made because, as always, Debbie is, everything she makes is beautiful. So here's Debbie, and she will go ahead and start sharing everything she has. You got it, Debbie? And I hope you'll enjoy seeing what she made because, as always.
So I can see you still, Amy. Can others see me?
Yep, so there's just a little bit of delay on Facebook. So right. As long as you're talking, they'll be able to see you.
Okay. Well, I'm really happy to be here today. I wanted to share with you a little bit of background on me with clubs. So years and years ago, way back when I started scrapbooking early on, I joined a club because I loved getting that thing in the mail. I loved receiving that thing in the mail. And okay, well, I'm really happy to be here today. I joined a club.
It's working. You just have to mute yourself on Facebook.
Receiving that thing. Okay, so thank you. This is the first time I've done this way. Although I do teach some Zoom meetings, I haven't done it quite in this way before. So thanks, Amy, for helping me out with that. So yes, as I was saying, years and years ago, I joined a monthly kit club, and I remember the joy of actually getting that kit every month. And I wanted to let you know that I still have that joy with Kiwi Club because of the three founders, Susan and Shalo and I. I'm the only one that hasn't seen it before it comes. And so I get, like here, I'll show you. See this? This is the December one. And this just came because I get to go and design with it. And I get that excitement every time the Kiwi Club Kit arrives. So that I don't know what's in it. I don't know what they have designed with. And so I just get to open it like everyone else. And when I opened the October Kiwi Club Kit, the first thing I loved about it was the colors. I really love fall colors. I'm a big fan of fall. And so then just like you, I had to go find pictures, and I have a lot of pictures, so that wasn't too hard to do. It takes a little time sorting through them. But I wanted to share with you today kind of the things that I really loved about this October Kiwi Club Kit. I want to share 2 of the layouts I made and then 2 of the cards that I made. This first one is, this is my daughter, Rachel. She's number 7, and she and my youngest, Matthew, are the ones that aren't married yet. So I don't have kids with them or anything, grandkids that I can share. But Rachel loves fall, and she loves her kind of quiet time. And I really loved the trees in this set and the sentiment cards that came with it. And here is the other page. And this is the first time I actually used the woodland creatures, which is crazy. I've had them and I set them away, but I haven't used them yet until this one. And this just seemed perfect for this kit. And you know, I had so much fun doing this. I really want to spend more time just making creatures. It's really great to be able to do that. and it's so cute. It was fun. So this one was kind of a simple layout. I wanted the feel of just loving fall. I'll kind of scroll it across like that, which she does. She really loves fall, and she loves to just put on her hoodie and go out and enjoy the weather. So that was a good one. It said, "Happy fall, y'all. Autumn shows us how beautiful it is to let things go." And so that's what she really likes to do in the fall. And it was a good memory to keep. The other thing I really loved about this set were the templates, the trees with the tree tops and then the tree trunks. And one of the reasons I like that is because they can be used in so many ways. On this layout that I did, leaves are falling, autumn is calling. This is the left side of it. If you notice the picture, it's just bare trees. This is more when all the leaves have fallen off. And I really wanted to highlight that bare trees, those bare trees in the photos. And so I just used them bare like that over here, and then on the other page right here. You'll see that I just made some bare trees to go along with the background. I loved that I had those. We've always had the autumn kind of tree, but these were so unique and different. I really loved that about them, and I wanted to highlight that. I also enjoyed using the hexagons in this layout. And then the other thing I love to do with fall things is just create collages of leaves. And so you can see that I've taken a variety of leaves and tucked them in here. But you'll see that I've used the tree also as kind of a little branch, or, you know, when you have floral arrangements with fall, you have kind of little branches or sticks sticking up. And that's what I wanted to use it for. So I was able to just tuck that in right there and add that feel coming down here with my owl. I really wanted some texture. I love texture. And so I have some burlap paper, which is great if you don't have it. It's not expensive at all. And I went ahead and used that for the body of my owl and tucked some kind of little thread and yarn in there. This was fun. This is my idea of fun with scrapbooking, is taking these leaves in the fall, and we have a lot of different kinds of leaves, and, you know, putting those together. I also did that on this side. I went ahead and used the tree up here for the card, which worked perfectly. And then these fun leaves from the fall design kit for the snap frame. And this is so cute. I really love that, and tucked in some of these little bits from Tiny Bonnie. And then this is, I think it's oak a la carte, but I wanted the feel to be kind of just looking up at the trees, and that's where I was going with this layout, and really actually love how it turned out. I don't know if you can see it. I'll scroll back a little bit as how it came together. So I really love that. And then I also did 2 cards. I always do cards at the end because I always have papers left, and I actually have even a little bit more scraps left, but just kind of ran out of time to use them. And again, I really love the trees. And this works really great for a card. You don't have to have a sentiment on it necessarily. You can just put the trees themselves and create a fall layout. This is super simple. I just used trees and the trunks. But down here, I don't know if you can see it or not. I just cut out this from one of the papers so that I can use it as just a little embellishment on the bottom. And that was super easy and that really cute. And then the other one I did was this card. I love the saying on it, "Fall for Jesus, he never leaves." I thought that was brilliant, and I really liked it. Again, I used the different kinds of leaves that we have in our different sets, and I tucked one of the trunk pieces out to give it that additional texture and feel of wood or branch or stem of something. I do like to try to use pins on some. If you can see that, you can see I just marked the edges with a black marker, and that just kind of highlighted and brought that up. And so it turned out cute. I like having cards. I have a box full of cards in my closet behind me, where I put these cards every month that I make with the different Kiwi clubs and any other thing that I do. And I really enjoy that. And just to remind you, it's October. You can still order in time to get the November Kiwi Club. And I just finished designing with that yesterday. So I have other things that we'll be showing you next month, but it is so cute. It was really fun, and I really liked the way things turned out for it. And so I encourage you to go ahead and possibly, if you think you might like it, go ahead and sign up for Kiwi Club this month so that you can get the November kit. And again, I just opened December and took a look at it today also. And yeah, that's a really cute one too. I'm already trying to think of what pictures I might have and the cute things it can do. It's so fun. Let me check comments and make sure there aren't any questions that you want me to answer. Hi, Debbie. Lots of hi, Debbies. Hi, everyone. Southern California, Julie Dean. That's where I grew up, in LA area. Rosa also. And we have Florida. And lots of, I don't see too many questions. And I do love textures, Angela, just like you do. From Tennessee. I lived in Kentucky for 5 years, so that was fun. And oh, thank you, Rosa. It's really, sometimes you make cards and you think, wait, do I want to give that away? But the people getting them are so excited to get them. And even on a simple card, it's something that they tend to keep and remember and tuck away. I have a box where I tuck away all sorts of special things, even just little notes the grandkids or my kids give me, all go in a box. I'm kind of into family history, so that's something that I like to do. And I really like getting cards from people. So if anyone has any questions, go ahead and let me know here, and I'll take a look at this later on and answer any questions that people have. This was a little rough start for me on this one, trying to figure out how to do the phone and the Zoom and everything, but hopefully you were able to see the things that I was sharing with you, and that you'll pull out your Kiwi Club kit if you haven't done it yet for October, because this is fun, ladies. This is fun. And yeah, play with that woodland creatures, because this guy's super cute. Thanks, you guys. Have a good day.